Hello again, my friends. Welcome back to another math game with Miss Russo. So, just like yesterday's game, you're going to need your whiteboard with a blank sheet of paper and your dry erase board. Marker. The game today is called Two Ways 2.0. So, if you played yesterday's game, it's going to be very similar, but there's a twist. All right, friends, we're going to be playing with cubes today. How many cubes do you see? If you said 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, awesome. Kiss your brain. What do you notice about my cubes? Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. I heard some really interesting ideas. I heard somebody say that 5 are white and 5 are black. So for today's game, I'm going to show you one part. Then I'm going to hide a second part. We're going to figure out which part is hiding by putting the total in our heart. By putting a part in our heart and stopping at the total. What was the total? 10. You got it. So let's play a practice round. Ready? I'm going to hide some of my cubes. Okay. This is our first part. Ready? What's the first part? If you said 5, 6, 7, 8, kiss your brain. We're going to find the part that's missing by putting the part in our heart and stopping at the total. Ready? Put 8 in my heart and stop at 10. 8, 9, 10. We said 10, so that's why we stopped. Look at your fingers. What's the missing part? 2. Let's see if you're correct. Ready? You got it. The missing part was 2. Kiss your brains. So that was a practice round. Now for the real deal, we're going to find the missing part just like we did. This time, we're going to write a number bond and 2 equations to match our cubes. Think you can handle it? You got this? Let me hear you say, I got this. Say, I'm amazing. Say, I am an incredible mathematician. Oh, yeah. All right, let's play again. So I'm going to show you a part and I'm going to hide another part. Here we go. What's our first part? I heard you say 5, 6 is our first part. Okay, let's put a part in our heart and stop at the total to find the missing part. Ready? 6 in my heart and stop at 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We said the total, that's why we stopped. What's the missing part? Let's see if you're correct. What was the missing part? You got it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great work, friends. Kiss your brains. Now, let's write a number bond to match what we just did. What are the 2 parts? What's the total? Put it in a number bond. So make sure you draw your number bond just like I did on your blank side of your whiteboard. All right, let's see if our number bonds match. Ready? Awesome! We both put the total up top. The total was 10. Our 2 parts we put in the 2 part circles, 6 and 4. Nice work, friends. Remember, number bonds show two parts that make a whole. Guess what? An equation does the same thing, except there's an addition sign and an equation sign. So can you put this information in an equation? I know you can. A few more seconds to write your equations. Okay, let me see those equations. Does it look like mine? Yes, great work. Wait, what did Miss Russo forget? Nothing gets past you. You're right. I forgot to write my total. Nice job, friends. Thank you for helping me learn from my mistakes. Great. Now our equations match. Whew. I can feel my big, beautiful brain growing. Friends, can you see another way to write this equation? Oh, did you say? Oh, I think I got you. Did you say this? Nice work. You saw that another way to write 6 plus 4 equals 10 is to write 4 plus 6 equals 10. Guess what? When we add, you can write the same equation two ways. It doesn't matter which part comes first. Does it matter which part comes first when we add? No way, Jose. Excellent job writing your number bond to match the cubes and your two equations to match the number bond. Wow, that was a lot of work. Can we play again? Yes, awesome. Love this game. Erase your boards, my friends, but make sure you keep that number bond. Okie doke. Make sure your board looks like mine. And let's play again. I'm going to show you one part and then I'm going to hide the second part. Let's count on to find how many are hiding. Okay, ready? What's the first part? I heard you say it. It was 3. Okay, we're going to put the part in our heart and stop at the total. What was the total? 10. Thanks for reminding me. 3 in my heart and stop at 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look at your fingers. What's the missing part? I think I heard you say it. Let's see if you're correct. The missing part was 5, 6, 7. Great job. Can you write a number bond to match what we just did? Fill out your number bond. What are the two parts? Put it in your number bond. Okay, let me see your work in 3, 2, 1. Hold it up. Excellent job putting your two parts, 7 and 3, in the number bond. You remembered that the total was 10. Can you write an equation to match your number bond? How many different ways can you write your equation? I saw you do this. You got it. Write 2 different equations to match this number bond. You got this. Few more seconds. All right, ready to check your work? Do your equations look like mine? Yes, excellent job. We can write 7 plus 3 equals 10, or we can write 3 plus 7 equals 10. Does it matter which part comes first when we have an addition equation? Nice job showing two different equations to match the number bond. So proud. Let's play one more. Erase your boards, but keep your number bond. Your board should look like mine. Remember, we're still working with 10 cubes. Okay, I'm going to show you a part. And I'm going to hide some other cubes. All right. How many do you see? You got it, one lonely little cube. We're going to put the part in our heart and stop at the total. Ready? 1 in my heart and stop at 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whew, that was a lot of counting. Look at your fingers. What's the missing part? Let's see if you're correct. Ready to check? What was the missing part, my friends? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You got it. The missing part was 9. Can you fill out your number bond to match what we just did? What are your two parts? Let's see if your number bond matches mine. Ready, friends? Hold them up. You got it. Way to write your two parts and your total. Put this in two different equations. Ready to check your work? Let me see your boards when I say go. Ready? Go. Yes, I see that your equations match mine. We wrote 9 plus 1 equals 10, and then we wrote 1 plus 9 equals 10. Does it matter which part comes first when we add? No way. That's why we can write it two different ways. Thank you so much for playing my game with me. Two different ways 2.0.